Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying good health. Today is your first lecture of computer for class 6, 10 January 2022. बेटा आज हम लोग एक्सरसाइज वर्क करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 6 का. Now have a look. Objective type question है, there is a true and false. You can change both horizontal and vertical alignment of text. It is true. B. To change the margins of a page, click the page layout tab. Is it true and false? It is true. The default bottom margin of a page is 1 inch. It is true. You can set the text in a maximum of 3 columns. It is false. E. In the landscape orientation, text is printed along the width of the page. It is false. Now the next. There is a choose the correct answer. Click this tab to print a document. Page layout, file, home and view. The correct answer is file. This tab has the option to display ruler, view, home, insert your file. The correct answer is view. Dash alignment refers to the position of text in relation to the left and right. Page margin, vertical, horizontal, both 1 and 2 and none of these. The correct answer is horizontal. The default top margin of a page is dash 1 centimeter, 1 inch, 1 millimeter and none of these. The correct answer is 1 inch. Part E. Dash refers to the direction in which the page is printed. Alignment, page setting, orientation and none of these. The correct answer is orientation. बेटा आप लोगों ने ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस बुक पे सॉल्व करने हैं और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो भी आपका होगा क्लास में हम इसको चेक कर लेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.